Oh, look, yeah, that's right, it's sweet potatoes in my kitchen. I just microwaved a couple of these guys and I'm gonna stick them right here into this Vitamix cup. Today I'm gonna make some sweet potato pie. I've never made this before, but I have sweet potatoes, plenty from my CSA share. And there's just so many different ways of using it, but I've never made a sweet potato pie before. I also have some Just Egg. This egg substitute, have you tried it? It's amazing, it's really cool. It is just like egg, truly, truly. I've scrambled it, I've used it in baking, it's really good. So this is a pie that's similar to, I guess, a pumpkin pie a little bit. Not really all that much though. There's a lot of things that are different and I'm surprised. Well, I'm going to put all of it into my Vitamix blender. I think this is about 2 cups of sweet potato. Yeah, I'm going to wait for that one for a minute. Alright, it's some roasted sweet potato, and this recipe is going to call for some evaporated milk, and this is 1/2 cup of that. Now, plant-based evaporated milk. I was worried I have an intolerance for coconut. Well, I found this in the baking aisle. Maybe I'm a schmuck for buying it, but it seems to work pretty good. There's a bunch of stuff in here that's probably not the best for us. But it's a holiday. We're gonna bake. We're gonna have some good time. I'm putting that in there now because I want some liquid to be at the bottom of my container. When you're using a Vitamix or any kind of blender, you want to have liquid down near the blades because your stuff is going to blend up a lot easier that way. So I haven't ever made this before and I thought it was going to be a lot like pumpkin pie, but I was wrong. So I cobbled a recipe together from things that I sort of had. So that's evaporated milk and sweet potato. This is almond yogurt, and this is a 5.3 ounce cup of it. One recipe was asking for 1/2 cup of butter, and I don't know, I just couldn't do it. Butter or oil. So this seemed maybe healthier. Also, I had some yogurt I needed to use up, so I think it's smart to actually use what you have versus go buy stuff. It's always going to be a better value and you don't go without using things that you have in your pantry already. I get a little bit hung up on getting ingredients, but I have stuff to make things like this sweet potato pie. All this is stuff I had on hand, so it's cool. Alright, of the Just Egg, usually in recipes egg replacers are about a 1/4 cup of the product, and I do that with this also. So I'm going to measure out 1/2 cup of this. Yeah. The Just Egg is made from mung beans. It's very interesting to me how the protein strains are so similar to actual eggs. It's really scientifically awesome. I get a big kick out of it. Alright, so we have, those are liquid stuff. Pretty liquidy. I don't know, kind of nervous. Brand new recipe. And then we're going to have 1/2 cup of some molasses. And this is kind of cool to be able to use this. I haven't used this in a long time. I got this idea that I was going to make gingerbread houses last year. Didn't do it, but that's okay because I'm making sweet potato pie. So then, all we really have left, apart from the other sweet potato, is our spice mix. And in here is nutmeg, cinnamon, ginger, and a little bit of salt. You'll see the measurements for that in the description, just like everything else. Now, we're going to need a little bit of vanilla, and that's over here. I'm going to get the vanilla and be right back. Okay, we did a little kitchen rearranging the other day and I didn't remember where my vanilla was and I just didn't want to cause a scene. So 1 tablespoon of vanilla in there. And then we're going to blend that all up. I'm going to add the other sweet potato to it and I'll show you what it looks like going into the pan. Alright, there's the filling inside that pre-baked crust. I like to bake my crust for about 10 minutes at 350 because I think that pies like this, I hate it when the bottom is still gummy. It's gross. So this is pretty awesome, I think. It looks like peanut butter, but it's not. It's nicely spicy. I think the sweetness is good. And I don't know that there's yogurt in it. So this is going to go into a 375 oven for 45 minutes. I'm going to have a look and see what it's looking like at about that time. And we'll check in after it's done. Alright, there it is, chilling in the fridge. It's going to hang out in here for about 24 hours. I wish it was faster, but it'll be better that way. Alright, now it's time to test it out. Let's see how I did. Check it out. Looks yum. Oh good, we found a fork. Oh, it's holding together pretty good. And on over to the plate. Oh, we're making a mess of it. Oh, hey, look at that. Wow, can you hear me swallowing? Yum. Wow, that's really interesting. Wow, that's really rich. Nice, spicy, fluffy, creamy. Gotta go. I need to eat this. Make it.